Evolve with Paramount.
What's the best thing about Peanuts videos?
They're funny. They're just so good. And great. Don't you eat my favorite? Me too. I like Charlie Brown best.
Now there's even more to love, because for the first time ever, 2 new Peanuts classics are coming to DVD and video. A Charlie Brown Valentine.
Never buy approaches with my Valentine.
And Lucy Must Be Traded Charlie Brown.
The only way to play baseball right is to use 2 hands.
This is the perfect time to share all your favorite memories with all these fun-filled classics on DVD and video, like It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
I believe in the Great Pumpkin. There he is! It's the Great Pumpkin!
Be My Valentine, Charlie Brown.
I think it's from that little red-haired girl.
That letter is from me. You like me, Chuck?
I do?
It's the Easter Beagle, Charlie Brown.
There is an Easter Beagle.
A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving.
Peanut videos are for everybody.
And a Charlie Brown Christmas.
I've been kissed by a dog. Dog's here. Good grief.
Plus, each DVD comes with bonus episodes for your family to enjoy again and again.
Maybe this is the start of a trend.
Don't miss it. You can take all the Peanuts gang home today.
Okay, let's get this show on the road.
And coming soon, a brand new holiday classic. I Want a Dog for Christmas, Charlie
Coming
Brown.
holiday 2004 on DVD and video only from Paramount.
Nick Jr.'s home videos and DVDs celebrate playing.
Yay!
Let's play.
And wiggling.
I am a real wiggle master.
Nick Jr. celebrates learning.
Good thinking, buddy boy.
Let's stop and think.
That's a great idea. And learning
I don't
Spanish.
speak Spanish because the words in Spanish are
Mucho
nonsense.
thanks, Oswald.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And learning reading.
Say it with me. Red, blue, green.
Nick Jr. celebrates dancing. And laughing. Nick Jr. celebrates hugging. And encouraging.
Good pouncing.
Nicely done. Great team.
Good jumping. Super duper.
You were fantastic.
Nick Jr. celebrates helping.
Thanks for helping.
Thank you for all your help. Thanks so much for your help.
Now your kids can play, learn, dance, laugh, hug, encourage, and help.
Excellent.
Yeah!
Join the celebration and watch Nick Jr. and Paramount's Blues Clues,
D
Dora the
word.
Explorer, and Oswald home videos and DVDs.
Excellent.
Yippee-rusky!
Plus, look for even more new releases coming this year from Nick Jr. and Paramount Home Entertainment.
Yay!
Evolve from Paramount and Nickelodeon movies.
Deep beneath the world's greatest ocean lives a sponge unlike any other.
Hooray! Bubble party!
For years, he enjoyed a carefree life.
Who blew this bubble?
But all that was about to change.
By tomorrow, I will rule the world!
Well, good luck with that.
My crown! Ah! Someone has stolen the royal crown! Who can stop me now? You! Be back here with my crown in exactly 10 days. You can do it in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6 it is then.
Now,
What is it?
The paddy wagon. Sesame seed finish. Steel belted pickles. And under the hood?
Whoa.
Yeah. Wow.
we will begin a journey to become the hero he was born to be.
Are they laughing at us?
No, Patrick. They're laughing next to us.
Get ready
Let's get it on!
for big adventure.
Oh, boy.
How you doing?
trouble.
Things have gotten a lot worse since you left.
Plugins turned everyone we know into slaves.
Even Gary.
Big twists.
Oh my gosh, Patrick, you have a mustache!
So do you!
Oh.
Big action. And big surprises when Sponge meets World.
Who are you?
I'm David Hasselhoff. For the very first time. The SpongeBob SquarePants movie.
Funny figures only from Paramount.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Limited only for non-commercial private, limited in homes, any possible form of the use or copies first, all rights under copyright reverse. Paramount. Hit Entertainment. Thomas Attendance and Friends. Based on the World Series by E.T. White. Rated for television by with all crowds. Thomas and the Jet Engine. Told by Al Gordon and Uncle Brendan. Thomas and the Jet